The sun was shining down brightly in the fields. A farmer stood under the burning sun, sweating as he shoveled his land, preparing for the planting season. From afar, he could see Imam Musa Kazim, the son of Imam Jafar Sadiq, riding by with some of his companions on their way to the masjid for salah. The man scowled as the Imam grew closer. He immediately began shouting curses at him. The angry farmer was a friend of the evil caliph and a well-known enemy to the Imam. As the farmer pierced his shovel into the dirt, he continued to call names and make fun of the Imam as he approached closer. Upon hearing the insults, one of the Imam's companions became very angry with the farmer. He said to the Imam, "Oh Imam, this man is disrespecting you. Please let me teach him a lesson." The companion pulled out his sword, ready to fight the farmer. The other companion chimed in, "Yes, please let us teach this scoundrel a lesson. He cannot talk to our beloved Imam like this." Imam al-Kazim gently raised his hand and everyone instantly became silent. In a calm and gentle voice, he said, "Why don't you both go ahead to the masjid and I'll join you, inshallah." The companions agreed and bid him farewell. Imam Kazim then rode towards the angry farmer and said, "Salamun alaikum, how are you?" The farmer scowled but did not reply. With a warm smile, the Imam continued, "May Allah give you a lot of success in your farming. If you don't mind me asking, how much did you pay for this land?" The farmer replied angrily, 100 gold coins. "Why do you care?" Once again, the Imam replied with kindness, "How much money do you hope to make from your farm?" The man looked confused for a few seconds and then yelled, "How should I know? I'm not a fortune teller." The Imam laughed, a heartwarming laugh, and said, "Oh, I meant, how much do you want to make from this land?" The farmer was very greedy and said, 200 gold coins. Without blinking, the Imam came down from his horse, reached into his pocket, and pulled out a heavy coin bag. The Imam handed the bag to the farmer. When the farmer opened the bag, he was shocked to see 300 gold coins inside. Imam al-Kazim said, "This is for you, dear farmer. You can keep your farm, and I pray that you make a lot of money from farming this year, inshallah." The farmer's eyes widened with surprise and his mouth fell open in shock. He fell to his knees, dropping the bag of coins. His face turned red with shame and tears filled his eyes. He began to kiss the Imam's hands and feet as he pleaded, "Oh my Imam, I'm so sorry for my horrible behavior. How could I have behaved so disrespectfully towards you?" Imam al-Kazim helped the farmer off his knees and gently put his arm around him. With a kind voice and smiling face, he forgave him. He then told the farmer, "May Allah be with you," and rode off towards the masjid. The farmer was filled with regret and sadness as he watched the Imam ride away. Some time passed and the Imam finally reached the masjid and was now teaching his students. As they were studying, the students were surprised to see the farmer standing outside the masjid. One of them scoffed, "Doesn't he have any shame? Has he come all the way to the masjid just to continue insulting the Imam?" One student rolled up his sleeves and clenched his fists and angrily said, "This time I will kill this unbeliever." The farmer entered with his head lowered in shame. He approached the Imam and said, "Salamun alaikum, O son of Rasulullah. I am very embarrassed by my actions. Please forgive me. It is now clear to me that Allah chooses only His best servants to be the Imam." One of the students stood up confused and said, "I don't understand what is happening. Aren't you the same man who used bad words against our beloved Imam? What changed your akhlaq?" The farmer told them what had happened between the Imam and him just a few hours ago. The students were impressed by the amazing akhlaq of the Imam. Once again, the farmer apologized and bid the Imam and his students farewell. The Imam turned to his students and said, "All of you wanted to use violence to teach this man a lesson. Yet all it took was some kindness to help him realize his mistakes. So you see, instead of yelling at the farmer and giving in to his anger, Imam al-Kazim was able to swallow his anger and help the farmer. Through the Imam's kind actions, the farmer's hate turned into love. This akhlaq of the Imam is why he is called Al-Kazim, the one who swallows his anger.